Okay. Good day, everyone. My name is Desmond Roland Ete. Today I'll be showing you how we could map flood in any location in the world. However, in this practical section, we'll be using Bayelsa State in Nigeria as a case study. First, we have to go to our search engine to okay, we are going to use Google Earth Engine code editor to come here. So we are going to use this. Click on this as it keep loading. So what we'll do, we'll come to the platform, come to code editor, click on it to load. So it has loaded, and if you need to have a Google Earth Engine account, if you have Gmail already, you have that. So this is the environment that we are in. This is the environment. So what are we going to do to get this done? So the next thing, you can see the environment, the script environment. What you have to do, certain things are hidden. You draw here. You can see various projects I've done. They're all here. So what I'll have to do, come here to get the code. So the code we are using here is Sentinel data. Click on it. So you can see, go down and look for Sentinel, so which is also this. Why is still loading? This Sentinel collection. So we are using Sentinel-1. Sentinel-1 SAS GRD-C band. Sentinel aperture radar. This is the data we are using. So you click on it. So the code has displayed. So this is the code. We have one for JavaScript, which is the Google Earth Engine, and we have one for Python in Google Colab. So we are using Google Earth Engine. So this is it. So this is the code. You can copy the code. Copy the codes. If you want to copy the code, you can copy the codes by, you can open it on this part. But what we want to do, because of the region we are working in Nigeria, I prefer I use the code I've written properly, and I will explain the code, but you can see it has been written. This is the source. So key things we need to observe is the date, which I will also explain, an area of interest, which I will still explain further. So let me get the code. After the training section of this, I will put a link where I can get access to the code. So I'll paste the code. Okay, this is the code, and I've titled it. For you to title it, still the same thing, the way we present Python script with the slash. Google Earth Engine script for flood mapping in Bayelsa State using Sentinel-1. Yes, you can still use this. This, like we talk about area of interest, we can still remove this. But first, I'll first run this first before I put the shapefile, which is the area of interest. So what I will have to do is to show you the importance of this. This is exactly what we have in previous codes. This is the date. This date is date This date was in 2023. I will change that to 2022. I will change that to 9. And we all know that this date talks about the rainy season and dry season. So we will be looking at August, or we'll be looking at September to October. So I will change this to 2 and change that to 10. So it's October. This date is talking about August to October. I want to see the flooded area in the region and non-flooded area in the region. So the area of interest is important. Like I said, we will still change it to see the essence of that. So you could see the script has been written properly. Likewise, if you look the flood threshold, yes, for the region, my region is 13, and you can see adjust this value based on the study area condition. My region is 13, which is in the Niger Delta, and it depends on the area that you are working with. So if you see come down, this code is we already these ones are what we did was to write some JavaScript to back up in terms of the legends and the charts, the statistic value. So you can see calculate the calculating the statistic of the area. We have to do this for both flooded area and non-flooded area. I also present the charts. So let's run this first to see what will come out. It's loading. So you can see what are shown. However, for we to properly visualize this, what we'll do, we will come here, we'll off the Sentinel-1 and off the non-flooded area because we are included in the flooded area. So this is what is obtainable. So let us go down to maybe a known place in Bayelsa. So this is what we've done so far. You could see how the area was flooded. So, but like I said, the Bayelsa State precisely is about Bayelsa State between 11 to 13. So we can come here to redefine that about I think 11 to 13. Let's run it again. So all this and all this. So okay, this is it. That is 11 minus 11. So this is what is obtainable. So let me move by let me move by adding the shape file, like the area precisely that we are going to work with. Okay, so we want to add the area of interest. So we have to come here and we have to select where I want to get the file. So let me come somewhere here, area. So this is where the file is. So the state the kind of file we should add, the type of files that we need to add, it's also listed. So you can see that we have this among. So you can see I've picked all. So click on this, open. So they are saying that this does not have a correct extension. So we have to go back to redo it. can see this one is not part, so I've gone back to reselect it back. So click, so all are loading now. They're done. So everything is okay. Click upload. So allow it to load. Next, we refresh this. I can see Bayelsa State has come out. So this, so just come here, click this. As we change this particular to your area of interest, the abbreviation is AOI. So run it back again. No, should not save it here. Let's run back again. It's running. So you can see the statistics are now coming out, including the chart. You can see the bar chart, the pie chart, and the histogram included. So what we have to do is let's view it properly. If our area of interest is captured, so you can see the area Bayelsa State as shown from the result. So here we earlier upload, so we can off this and off the non-flooded area to enable us visualize this puzzle. Change here to 2022, change here, because let's change here to 10 first to 10 to 31st. That's the same month, but the date will be different. We change here to, so we also change, like I said, the area. This we have to change the threshold, flood threshold to 11 and run it again. So you can see, so it has shown. So we should off this for proper visualization. So if you look at this part, you see the flooded area in meter square and not flooded area in meter square. So you can see the percentage flooded area, non-flooded area, the bar chart. So we can do this all over. If we want to check each year, we'll do the same thing. So we can check even the statistics. So you can see how the area was flooded in 2022 as was October 2022. You see the area they are flooded October 2022. If we change this to dry season, change this place to maybe March 2022, you will notice the difference. If we run it again to all this, so you see there will be different in the area. So you can see the difference, unlike during the rainy season, you see the water not showing. So thank you. Like I said, the key things here is very easy to write. You can even use ChatGPT to write it for you and edit for you. You don't need to key yourself in writing all this code. AI does this, does it. You can still do this on your own. But the key factor is always note about this area of interest. It's very important. This A OI is very important in when carrying out project. Then you can see export this the result. You can see export it by clicking on tags. So you can see you can export this result by clicking on tags. If you want to do that, you can export it. The another thing you can still do, you can save it as an app. You can save it as an app, and the new app can save it in your cloud, name it, and publish it for people to view it. So if you want only you can edit, you can do that and publish it so people can see, someone can still use it for their own personal project. Like I said, if you need this code, I will add it on my YouTube channel for you to use. Thank you. Apart from that, you can use this for a lot of projects. If you want to also understand rainfall patterns and the rest of them, you can use this climate change for climate change activities, climatic issues. This JavaScript helps you to get everything done. Thank you.